and I am Deputy Director of Finance at Portsmouth City Council and Project Executive of an exciting project that I'm delighted to talk to you about for a few minutes. Some 16 years ago now, we introduced a software that manages our finance, procurement, human resources and payroll systems. Originally known as NGFS and latterly as EBS, in its early years it was a modern and fit-for-purpose piece of software that met our needs as they were then. It remains by no means a small system, and amongst other things, it currently manages the records and monthly payment of the salaries of 8,000 PCC staff and 4,000 Academy staff across 19 payrolls. It creates 22,000 purchase orders and pays 130,000 supplier invoices per annum with a value of circa £324 million. It also raises 107,000 invoices to customers each year, resulting in an income to the council of approximately £110 million, and presents budget and forecast information to 130 budget managers with a gross value of £730 million, along with an equivalent level of income. But a significant period of time has now elapsed, and EBS, despite regular software upgrades and patches, is out of date and lacks the functionality that we take for granted in more modern software. In addition, Oracle will no longer be supporting the product after December 2021, but more importantly, it no longer meets the demands of our staff, our customers, suppliers or partners. After an extensive analysis of the modern software applications offered by the market leaders, we will therefore be replacing EBS with a product known as Oracle Fusion. Unlike our old EBS system, which was physically here in the civic offices, Fusion is hosted in the cloud. This has many advantages, not least that Fusion is updated 4 times a year by Oracle to make available the latest enhancements to functionality and to capability to all Fusion customers all around the world. To ensure that we get the maximum benefit out of such a capable piece of software, due to the scale and complexity of the implementation, we are being supported in the technical configuration and process design by an experienced partner named Evosys. Evosys have over 1,200 Oracle Cloud customers and extensive experience in the implementation of Fusion for both county councils and unitary councils like us. The business processes within Fusion are recognised as industry best practice across thousands of businesses, including UK local authorities and other public sector organisations with similar complex needs to ours. So what does embracing industry best practice mean to you? Well, amongst other things, you can expect more joined up recruitment processes resulting in the faster recruitment of staff, a simplified procurement to payment process with fewer steps, along with the efficient routing of all leave and other approval requests directly to your desktop via email. You will also have easier access to both the system and up-to-date real-time information contained within Fusion, because once signed into your laptop, you do not need to sign in again to the Fusion software, as all your security credentials are known from when you first signed in. This is known as single sign-on. So when can you expect to start using the new system? Well, our plan has always been to go live with Fusion in April 2021. This was an ambitious target even before the COVID-19 pandemic hit. But we are keeping to our implementation timetable, and my project team, drawn from across HR, finance, procurement and more widely across the council, are all working to deliver a system that is right for all of us who will interact with it. Our original plans included communication and engagement with PCC staff and stakeholders throughout the implementation. The current pandemic means these plans have changed somewhat, but now is an ideal time for you to discover more about the Fusion system, how it will benefit you by making your job easier, and what support is available to help familiarise you with the new system and the necessary changes to our current ways of working as we move to a software solution that follows industry best practice. We rarely, if ever, have been in a situation where the potential capability of new technology could support our service delivery requirements to such a degree. Our rapid adoption of Microsoft Teams shows that we can all successfully adopt new ways of working, perhaps much faster than we thought was originally possible. Fusion, as a combined and integrated people and finance management system, will give us the means to use best-in-class processes on a fully supported and more secure platform. It is you embracing the necessary change, being curious about what else Fusion can do to help your service delivery, and working with my project team to ensure suppliers, customers and partners know what will change from April 2021 that will make the real difference to the scale of benefits that we can achieve by embracing and optimizing how we use this new software. Thank you for listening.